Another advantage of Access is that when you want to do searches, so go to our favorite menus and I'll go to Planter Tallies All. This is for all contracts over all time. It shows all the planter tallies. Which contract it was, Tajik. Which block, it's a certain block, person's name, the planter's name, the date, planted, and here at the bottom I put the totals. So here you got the totals planted for all 2008 for this one company. Total charges by all the planters. This is just one form. And camp costs and the species. And just to show you how the search function works, is much more powerful here than in Excel. Let's say I want to this Brian guy, Brian Harbungle, I'm making up these names. I can click on here inside and I click on this lightning bolt and boom, all of a sudden I've only got for all time everything that Brian has planted. Automatically the number of trees planted, it only concerns Brian. The total, all the totals automatically adjust. Now let's say I want to make another more detailed search, only what Brian planted on this block, and I press again the lightning bolt, and here we have now only what Brian has planted on this block on this contract. How about this? Only this species, for example, one more time. Okay, and of all the trees that were planted over all of time, we've narrowed it down to this, and we see the totals. And this is just one form. All of Access works the same way. So when you get comfortable with searching, you could very quickly find data for refined searches. Now, beyond this lightning bolt, you can also do a super defined. This is like a question. Now, as you see, I've my lightning bolts have automatically transferred. Maybe I don't want to use that. Maybe I want to go only for Brian Harmungo. Not this, so I'll delete this. And let's say only for camp costs that are greater than 21. Okay, just for an example. So I got my query is only Brian, where his camp costs, those days in the tallies where his camp costs were above 21. I go back to the forum by clicking on this. I'll explain the website, and you see there's his camp cost 25. All the days, just to show you how the search can work in a proper database. Let's go back to my question. I've got this date here for me. I can erase that, of course, and now you got this nifty little or button. And let's say I go I don't know, or what? Geez, now I don't know. Or Columbus. That's another tree planter who planted more than 2,000 trees a day. Okay, now we go back to here and we see we got Harbungle and Columbus. Looks like he only planted one day more than 2,000 trees. So you got the or button as well. And this is just a quick description of your various searches. I'll go back into greater detail later.